Vlog, and today I'm going to be showing you a new train, Oracle Express, all lined up. Yep. Let me show you some features. So it has a cool light. It has a whistle. This is a remote though. So this is how you reverse. This is how you go forward. This is whistle, which you'll hear. That's not really a good whistle. This is the guy. That's when it's stopped. Then this is the bell. So this is how you can go. It can go slow. It can go like that too, like it's moving. But then when you press this, it says that. But you can also go fast. You can see this is how it's going fast. And then you can stop and reverse. You can actually reverse. Oh my gosh, I said reverse. You can actually reverse. And you can also go fast. It's cool. That's a cool feature about the train. This is actually the ready set, the battery ready to play. See? Right? As you all may know this. Whoa! I going I got mine at JCPenney. And yeah, it's really cool. And you can also stop the train and make it take a second movie. But these are the coaches. So this is passenger coach. Then this is observation. This is the coal tender coach, and this is the engine desk. You also notice.